Hey everyone! If you're tired of spending hours researching, writing, and optimizing content, only to watch it struggle on Google, I've got something that will change the game for you. Imagine having an AI-powered tool that not only helps you write, but also analyzes top-ranking content and gives you SEO recommendations in real time. Well, say hello to NeuronWriter, your secret weapon for creating content that both search engines and readers love. NeuronWriter is an all-in-one content planning and optimization tool that helps bloggers, copywriters, and marketing teams craft high-ranking articles. It scans the competition, analyzes SERPs, and even gives you AI-powered writing suggestions. So instead of guessing what works, NeuronWriter shows you exactly what you need to create content that ranks. First up, content research. NeuronWriter analyzes high-ranking articles in your niche, so you can jump on trending topics and structure your content like a pro. Then, with just a few clicks, you can use AI to generate long-form, fact-based content that's already optimized to rank. Say goodbye to writer's block. But here's where it gets even better. NeuronWriter provides semantic SEO recommendations based on NLP and SERP data. That means you get real-time insights on how to improve your content, boost your rankings, and even add internal links for a stronger SEO strategy. And for seamless workflow, NeuronWriter integrates with WordPress, Google Search Console, Chrome, and more, so you can publish and optimize content without any hassle. If you're serious about ranking higher on Google and creating content that stands out, NeuronWriter is a must-have. From keyword research to AI writing and SEO optimization, it's got everything you need to succeed. And the best part? You can get lifetime access today. Just click the link below to grab your deal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on content creation and SEO. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.